Hey, what's up? This is my OmniMint review. I'm Mike Paz, and in this tutorial video review, I'm going to talk about the software. I'm going to talk about what it does and how it can help you create software as a non-coder. I myself have been creating code for a couple years now. The cool thing is, well, maybe not the cool thing. The embarrassing thing is I'm not a coder. Okay. So now I use AI to create code, and it's very simple. And I mean, like, very simple. I'm not a tech person whatsoever. Before that, I was using what are called non code sites like Bubble to create code. And that was way more complicated, but it didn't require code. It just required logic and grammatically correct sentences. I know. Anyways, the era of all of that is out. Now we have AI and we have this tool OmniMint that just creates and has modulated, done for you software components that you can add together to create your own piece of software. Really cool stuff. Allows you to create, I'm going to get into it. It allows you to create apps for Android and Apple, micro-SaaS for like websites and stuff, and Chrome tools as well. Now, I'm gonna shrink this down. Okay. Now, before I begin, make sure if you want to get this plus my bonuses, let me show you that real quick. Let me go right there, OmniMint. I want to show you my bonuses. If you want to learn about the upgrades are right down here. They have a link to this below. My bonuses is my case studies, my free APIs, my how-to guides on how to create software. Again, I've been doing this for years now, and I'm very successful at selling them, making them, selling them. And it's not that difficult. So my first bonus, I just want to go over my bonuses real quick. You get my new Code Chrome software masterclass. It's an actual video course. I also show you my case study, how I made over, well, in the case study, you'll see how I made over 18,000 in sales. Okay. And this bonus here, let me move this over here. You get my entire prompt thread. I give you all the prompts I use and all of the different, the different modes of AI I used, for lack of a better term, to create. Again, this is not difficult. Doesn't require any tech. If you have a Wi-Fi computer and an AI tool, then you're set to go. Everyone has that, I think, and also my complete API Blackbook, free API Blackbook. Now, if you don't know what an API is how one software talks to another software. And a lot of times, the software you buy or the software you create is talking to other software, right? You don't want to create everything from scratch, right? So, lot of these APIs require money. Okay, maybe a monthly cost or per transaction cost. I have a bunch of free ones that you're gonna want. Okay, really cool stuff. Now, I'm not joking here. This is a lot worth a lot. Okay, so when I put here worth 18,000, well, that's because I made over 18,000 bucks with that. Okay, my case study over 19,000. I show you the software I created and how much it made for me. Okay, my entire prompt thread. I give you the exact prompts. There's no guesswork on how this works, on what you got to tell the AI to create. So when I say 6,000 bucks, I think it's worth way more than that because I've done this. I've used this to do that, and it's worth that amount. You get it for free. Okay. Same thing with my last bonus. You're over 19,000. Yes, you get my complete free API Black Book. Okay, all of that. So when it comes to OmniMint, basically, it's a choose your own software components, software creator, right? So let's go to dashboard. Here we're on dashboard. Create new web app. No, I like to create what are called website apps, website software, right? So a good example of this is my tool here, tool shelf. I created this using just AI, but this is a little bit more complicated. But with OmniMint, you can do it much easier. The cool thing is the first video you see teaches you everything you need to know. Okay. So basically, when you're here, with the micro SaaS creator here, you just pick the different types of functions you want your software to have. Like if you want your software to create storybooks, here you go. If you want it to have, like for example, some type of marketing angle with emails, you can there you go. How it works, a step-by-step guide thing here. Also, you get an academy here. The academy teaches you exactly how to do everything. Nothing is left to mystery or to question. Everything is answered. If you have any questions on how to use the software, you can always go to Academy. Meeting, how to create a meeting software. There's so much information. A 15-minute quick drill, get 5 rapid questions. This is for learning. Like if you're learning a new language, you might want to have this in your software. Just the sky's the limit. As you can see, all these are different modules. You can pick and choose. You can add a bundle of them into one, or just one for one type of micro SaaS. And you can see this goes on with different components, different types of modules you can add to your software. You just add it, assemble it, put on the icons, and make it live. That's a cool thing about this tool. You do have to add your own API AI key, okay? And that's for this tool, not for my Chrome. For my bonuses, for my Chrome method, you don't have to add your own API at all, okay? I'm just using free ones. But if you want to use this tool, and by all means, if you're gonna uh create a very expensive piece of software to sell, then having your own API that you pay for is not a bad thing. Of course, you're going to make more. The idea is you're going to make more as a product than you are going to spend with your API, right? That's the point here. And also, there's different ways of doing this. You can have your customers add their own API to the software instead of you spending money with your API, or you can do a pay-as-you-go model, okay, like a credit system. So there are different things. Like I said, you can create Chrome tools, web apps, and you can create mobile apps with this. So basically everything, okay? And again, very simple. The Academy shows you everything you need to know. Um, though this is the first video you see, make sure you watch until the end. And again, if you want to know about the upgrades, the OTOs, you just check them out down here. Okay. That's all there is about this OmniMint review. Again, my bonuses are top notch. I actually do this as a non-coder. I actually sell my own apps online. I sell Chrome apps. Chrome, Google tools have been the most profitable for me, and they're the easiest to create. The cool thing about Chrome tools is you pay nothing. You pay nothing. You don't pay for any hosting. You don't pay for any APIs. None of that jazz. I highly recommend. I'm someone who's doing this actually. If you do get OmniMint, make sure you check out the link below. You won't find bonuses better than this. Okay, be good, take care, and have a wonderful day. Ciao.